Ito ang bagong Qingbao K3B. Hindi na nabubura yung keys. Pag turn off at pag turn off ng ilaw. Pag gusto mong breathing, sabayin mo lang yung FN tsaka yung light key. Ayan, breathing siya. Tapos pwede mong on lang ulit. Key lang. Tapos pwedeng diliman, pwedeng liwanagan. Yun. Tapos may win lock key pa rin siya, FN tsaka yung win key, start menu key. Tapos yung pagpalitin yung WASD sa arrow sa navigational keys, FN plus arrow lang, okay, FN plus W. Tapos yun, yung multimedia keys, shortcuts, FN plus F1 hanggang F12. Then double shot injection na siya. Yan, tagusan yung keys, tagusan yung ilaw, hindi siya napupudpad na kasi pareho ng plastic, hindi na siya printed, talagang tagusan na. And then yun, yung stand tsaka rubber. Tapos waterproof na rin siya, water splash proof tsaka dust proof. Yun lang. So ito ang bagong Qingbao K3B na double injection keycaps. Tapos yung top base nya metal na may silver paint. Yun. Okay, thank you.